How to fix login error in TUI application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. First, you want to swipe down on your control center and connect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data, however you prefer. And if you have a secure connection but still having login errors, go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down again and navigate yourself to the TUI application. Click on Show All and you want to scroll down and start first. And here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the app. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.